What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Homer Simpson. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large circle for the eye. Let's start at the very top right in the middle. Just going to work our way around towards the bottom and curl that back up towards the top. Now on the right side of the eye we're going to draw the nose. We're going to start with a straight line going across, round up the nose, and then bend that back in towards the bottom. Now let's draw that same size circle on the right side, tuck in behind the eye and the nose. So we're going to start right here, close around, come down, and then in behind the nose. Let's go to the center of the left eye, move over towards the left, draw a circle and fill that in black for the pupil. Let's go up on the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to draw the front edge of the mouth, starting from the tip of the nose, bend this out and then down towards the bottom. And we're going to add a bump for the lip, going out and then in. And we'll curve the mouth, coming across, and then just pull that up. Let's add a bracket on the corner of the mouth. Now I'm going to go back up to the nose. Go all the way around the corner of the mouth, come down towards the chin, and we're just going to curl that up, and then add a bump for the lower lip. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the brow going up towards the top of the head. Let's start from the top right side of the eye, add a bump coming in. Now I'm going to curve the head, going up, bend this out towards the left, towards the top of the head. Let's round out the head, come down the outside, come in, and then bend that down. Now right here we'll draw a C shape for the ear, going in towards the head, and back up. Let's add a fold across the top, and then a fold in the middle. Now I'm going to follow the side of the head, down underneath the ear, coming down and then out towards the neck. Let's go back up underneath the chin, bend the neck, coming down and then out. Angle this up across the collar. Now I'm going to go back to the outside, curve this down and then in. Let's fold the collar along the back side of the neck. Follow this curve coming around and in. From the outside of the curve, draw a straight angled line. Go to this point, draw another angled line, connect these two lines with a curve. Now I'm going to go back to the front of the collar, go up with a straight angled line, angle that down. Now from this line and this point, I'm just going to draw two straight angled lines, tucking that in. Now we're going to go back and layer the hair on top of the head. Let's start from the outside, just above the ear, and draw an M, going up, down, up, and then down. And then along the top of the head, we're going to have two curves. We're going to start right in the middle, going up, across the head, and then down. Let's do that one more time. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Homer Simpson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.